Ma'am,
How long have you been homeless?
2 years.
All right, why are you homeless?
Because I don't have no family here, and I'm not from San Antonio.
Where are you from?
I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
A homeless defendant's emotional admission forces Judge Boyd to make a drastic choice. Will he go to jail or be sent across the country?
Court is calling 2022 CR 7683, State of Texas versus Antoine Lynn. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
I'm your memorial, Your Honor.
And are you Antoine Lynn?
Yes.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review those with your attorney and did you understand them?
Yes.
Are you the same Antoine Lynn who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 7683 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on October 20th, 2022 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violating condition number 1 on or about the 18th day of October 2023 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Antoine Lynn committed the offense of criminal trespass in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
Remaining violating conditions.
Any objections? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
No, there's not, Your Honor.
All right, state, what are you requesting?
The state is actually going to take into consideration cause number 719722, the criminal trespass that.
Wait, 719?
I'm sorry, yes, 719722.
Okay.
That's a criminal trespass that he just went true to responsibility, and the state's requesting revocation, Your Honor.
All right. In defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we're requesting, thank you. We're requesting that Mr.
Jason.
Lynn be given a TAP evaluation so we have a better picture overall. Otherwise, Judge, we respectfully ask the court to remove him and put him on the intensive outpatient program. He is homeless, Judge. That's a big issue for Mr. Lynn. He has very little income, so that as far as paying the fines or for UAs, that's extremely difficult for him. We're virtually impossible. So we respectfully ask the court to continue on this deferred status, Judge, and I will defer to the court's experience on what you think is best.
All right. Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Antoine Lynn.
All right, Mr. Lynn, are you homeless?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you been homeless?
2 years.
All right, why are you homeless?
Because I don't have no family here, and I'm not from San Antonio.
Where are you from?
I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
Okay, what brings you to San Antonio?
I met this lady like 2 years ago online. Everything was going all right till I just don't agree to certain things.
All right, it's difficult when you meet people online and you're traveling to different states. You understand?
Yes.
So are your parents still alive?
Yes, ma'am.
Do they want you back with them?
Yes.
All right, do you want to go back to Georgia?
Yes, but I want to do my 2 years here. I'm trying to do something right before I won't have no warrants when I go home. So,
Well, I mean, we could see about transferring your probation to Georgia where you actually have support there. So if your parents want you back there and you have a place to stay, that may be the best thing for you. Do you understand?
yeah.
Your mom wants you there?
Last time I talked to her, she said you need to get that charge over and come home.
Okay. And have you ever been diagnosed with any mental health issues?
Yes, I'm bipolar schizophrenic. One moment I'm up, and the next moment I'm down. I take medicine for 3 years.
Okay.
I've been on it all my life.
Okay.
Your Honor, Mr. Lynn also has a MTR, ABI family violence pending on court 13 also. So please consider that, Judge.
Okay. And is that going to be taken care of today?
If they take him over there today, Judge.
All right. So will community court help him, or are they only for pretrial diversions? They now have community court for homeless people.
I can check with Judge Vedder on that next door if you want me to, Judge.
All right, here's the thing. I can revoke you. I tell you what, I'm going to give you a choice. Normally, I can't give people choices. It appears to me that you have mental health issues. You have a case that's pending out of another court. You're homeless. You should go back to Georgia because maybe your mom will accept you back there. And at least you'll have a place to stay, a warm bed to sleep in. And they could probably get him, although I know he's currently on his meds at the jail probably, but they could probably get him stabilized further out there and he'd have a support system and we won't have these criminal trespass cases. So what I could do is I could grant the motion, revoke you and sentence you under 1244, or I can extend you, which I'd extend you for 2 years and then transfer you to Georgia. And if Georgia doesn't accept you, I'll ask that you be referred to the community court and they can help you with mental health issues. They can help you with housing. So those are the options the court has available to it.
Judge, I would ask the court not to revoke him and see if we can transfer this to Georgia and give Mr. Lynn an opportunity. He's only 38 years old, Judge. And with a felony conviction, that would just, at some point, I think he'll get on the right track and move on with his life in a felony conviction.
All right, what county is that in Georgia?
Fulton County.
Probation. Does he need to be out of custody to start the request for transfer to Fulton County?
Yes, Judge, he does. He will have to stay here until it's approved. So what I would typically do is just make sure that we have sticks, victim contact, with anything that we need to present to ICOTS. And I can let the manager know now. I just don't know if they'll initiate the transfer until we make contact with you.
Let me ask you this. Is there any way we can do a travel permit?
No, so we generally tell them not to leave, just because they do have to be given permission to proceed to the next state. And so a travel permit would not be allowed because if they reject it, he has to come back. And if they don't, ICOPS requires us to issue a warrant.
Well, there could be, what I'm thinking, there could be a travel permit for a specific amount of time. Are we able to do that or no?
No, Judge. So per the ICOPS rules, they can only have a 7-day travel permit.
And it's going to take longer than the 7 days?
It can take up to 45 days. And so we can't permit for him to leave. A lot of times if they do leave during the transfer process through ICOTS, they'll actually reject the case.
All right. So I thought it could be accomplished within the 7 days and they're telling me it can't be. So this is what I'll do. I'll deny the motion, take in consideration 719-722, extend for 2 years. We'll do a referral to community court and a transfer to Fulton County, Georgia. This is what I'm going to do though. I want him to remain in custody until he's accepted in community court. If for some reason he's not accepted in community court, then we'll bring him back here before he's released. All right.
Fair enough, Judge.
Is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am.
All right. So what's going to end up happening is you're going to remain in custody. They're going to evaluate you for community court. I'm unsure if community court only does pretrial diversions. I don't know because that's a new court that's just been enacted fairly recently.
I do got a question.
So you're going to remain in custody. If community court does not accept you, then we will bring you back here. And probation also for this, it sounds like there should be a DDRF. There should be like a MIC eval for him. At least a MIC eval.
Was not completed. Take a look at that. Something that was further retrieved. Not we can add that as well.
All right. And what we'll do so that we'll know where you are. We'll do the Mickey eval while in custody and the TAP evaluation while in custody. And then hopefully by that time you will have been accepted in the community court. And then once you're accepted in the community court, you'll have a place to stay. And then perhaps you can get transferred to Fulton County. Do you understand? All right. Is there anything else?
Nothing, Judge.
All right. Thank you.
This is the case of Antoine Lynn, a homeless man from Georgia who violated his probation in Texas with a new criminal trespass charge. In a tense hearing before Judge Boyd, Lynn pleaded true to the violation, which could have sent him to state jail. The courtroom learned he's been homeless for 2 years, has a bipolar diagnosis, and has a pending family violence case. Judge Boyd, acknowledging his mental health struggles and lack of support, presented a critical choice. Rather than revoke him immediately, she extended his probation for 2 years. Her ruling orders him held in custody while arranging a transfer to Georgia probation and an evaluation for a special community court program, aiming to connect him with housing and mental health services instead of incarceration.
Share your opinion in comment box and subscribe this channel. I upload videos daily. Thanks for watching this video.